structure fire 33 is first in. Task Force 33, rescue 857, engine 46, rescue 246, light force 66, engine 21, squad 21, battalion 13, battalion 11, respond to structure fire, intersection of 61st and Hoover. Task Force 33, roger. Intersection of 61st, Hoover. Task Force 33 on scene, one-story commercial, pallets in the back, exposures on the Delta side, offensive mode.
233, I need you to go back there. Got 46s, I need 46s. I want you to take 61st Street. We got addresses that need to be handled as far as an exposure.
Roger. 61st Street, exposure.
And light force 66 is here. Light force 66, I'm going to have you just go back there with engine 33, give me eyes on, see what other exposures we have and where we need to go from here. Copy, I'll give you 360. 33, whenever you...
33, copy your placement. You guys are taking the roof, engines, fire tag. Go ahead and join your company. Let me know how my exposures look.
Copy that, Chief.
Yeah, from engine 33. It's an outside fire right now. We've got a lot of stuff after on fire. At some point,
Last company, repeat.
that are on Hoover.
Attach yourself with light force 33. Light force 33, you can have 857. I see for base 3, across the scene. You want to take that assignment? Last company, repeat. 833, you want to attach us with that truck? 833, attach yourself with engine 33. 833, roger. Light force 66 from IC.
Yeah, go ahead, Chief.
Yeah, light force 66. What assignment and location? Charlie?
Yeah, we're right here in front. Truck 33, I gave us to go back and assist engine 33 and get eyes on it. I'll give you a size up here in a minute.
Roger.
I see, engine 66, southbound on Hoover. How can we help you? From truck 33 up on the roof. Looks like the exposure is extending into the rear. We'll call it the Bravo exposure towards the rear.
Copy, Bravo exposure. Single family?
No, this is going to be a second structure that's attached to the front. It's going to be the Bravo exposure, the address that I gave to Metro. And we got a little bit of smoke coming from the vent.
Copy, last company checking in. ID?
Engine 66, 60 and Hoover.
Engine 66, you've got the Bravo exposure. 6 on scene. Last company, going on scene.
Rescue 246.
246, your medical.
Yeah, I see you got engine 21 off of 61st Street. I'm going to take the address. It's going to be 721. It's going to be on the Delta side exposures. I got good access to the rear. Get water on it.
Engine 21, you've got Delta.
Hey, I see Delta's looking pretty good. Let's get a company inside on the Bravo exposure.
Copy. We got engine 66 going in on the Bravo exposure. Squad 21, did you check in? Copy at 61st Street side.
Squad, help out engine 66. You're going to be reporting to engine 66, they'll be Bravo.
Copy, Bravo. Water.
Hey, for truck 66, I'm here with engine 66. We're making entry to that commercial here on the Alpha side. I can't get around to see the exposures on the east side of this fire.
Copy, 66.
Did I copy? I have squad 21 and engine 66, correct?
You got squad 21, engine 66 on the Bravo side. I've given you guys Charlie, and on Delta you've got engine 21.
Yeah, copy. Go ahead and split all of truck 6 or task force 66 and squad 21 on the Bravo exposure.
Copy. You're going to take over Bravo. Truck 66 will be Bravo. You got engine 66, squad 21.
Engine 21, engineer, let me know water. I'm loading it. I see from roof.
Go, roof.
I see from roof. You need to get a company on the Charlie exposure. It's a single family dwelling on the back side. It's going to be the one single family dwelling with the gable past the Spanish tile roof residence on that street.
Copy. Engine 21, Delta.
Yeah, go ahead, Chief.
Engine 21, how's that exposure looking on the Delta side?
Yeah, I see. It looks like the Delta exposure is pretty good. I actually got on the exposure that's to the Charlie. I'm going to get a line on it in between. It looks like they're working pretty good on that fire to the Charlie side.
Do that. I'm going to move you over and call you Charlie for the Charlie exposure. All companies, we have 10 minutes on the incident clock.
Life Force 66 from roof, Life Force 33. Yeah, go ahead, Jed. We got a hole open up on the roof above you in the back, and just smoke. Do you see anything from inside? You can search the wall, but I don't think anything ripping unless there's up in the attic space. We don't see anything inside. Copy. We got a pretty thick wall in between the building and the actual fire. I think we're good.
Life Force 66 Bravo from IC.
Go ahead, Chief.
I didn't copy. How's that Bravo exposure looking?
So far from what we can see in the Bravo exposure, there's no extension.
Copy. Engine 21 Charlie. How's your Charlie exposure looking? Do you need additional assistance?
Yeah, I see from Charlie. I do have some minor extension. We are stretching a line back here right now. If you want to give me another company just to assist with checking the 61st Street side, that'd be great.
Copy. Light Force 66 Bravo. Can we break squad 21 loose, move them over to join engine 21 on the Charlie?
Yeah, absolutely. I'll send them over there right now.
Engine 3rd copies in Maroon. To with engine 21. Engine 33 from roof. Roof trying to reach engine 33, go. Hey, if you're having access issues, we're going to bring a line from the roof. Just make sure nobody's down there. Yeah, roof from engine. We've got enough lines back here right now. We're getting good water on the fire. We're going to have a knockdown in just a minute. There's the nozzle members from 46s as far as you're in. Read that last message for 46s. I'm seeing. last unit checking in. What was your unit number?
Yeah, Light Force 21.
Light Force 21 on scene, copy. Bulk of the fire. The Charlie exposure, I do have some residual smoke inside the structure. Then 21-4 here from Charlie. Fighting the fire with 33, engine 33.
Staging from Light Force 21.
Stand by for now, Light Force 21. IC from roof. IC. Light Force 15, stand by for now. We're getting a pretty good handle on it right now. Roger.
Bravo, were we able to conduct a prime?
Sure.
IC. Do you have a primary for me?
Yeah, IC from Bravo. Gone on this business. It's basically just a commercial building with a bunch of auto parts. There's nobody living inside. Clear.
Okay, Engine 21, Division Charlie. Do you guys have a primary on that exposure?
Yeah, IC from Charlie. Primary's clear. Secondary's clear. The exposure itself just has some smoke. I'll be able to handle with Squad 21 and Engine 21.
Copy.
Yeah, I see from Charlie. Looks like the bulk of the fire is knocked down behind the original structure. We're just going to check for ignition here on a subject exposure.
Copy, Charlie. Safety from IC.
Go ahead, IC.
Safety, how's it looking from your perspective? Any concerns?
Stand by, IC. I'm on my way back to the Charlie side to give you a better perspective of what it looks like.
Yeah, I see you have engine 3 on scene at 59th place and Hoover.
Engine 3, copy. Stand by.
Yeah, IC from Bravo. We can get access to the rear part of that Bravo exposure. It's just loaded with smoke, but it's clear. No snitches.
Copy. We got a pretty significant change up here. Just very light, white, non-pressurized smoke. Let me know when you guys are ready to call a knockdown.
Yeah, I see from safety. They've made a progressive move to extinguish a lot of bulk material that's over here on this Charlie side. I feel comfortable calling a knockdown from the Charlie side only. We haven't had a chance to look on the Bravo yet.
Copy. Roof. How are you guys looking from your vantage point?
Knockdown from my vantage point.
Light Force 66, we're ready to call a knockdown.
Yeah, sounds good.
Yeah, I see from safety just a further update. Everything looks good. I'm comfortable with calling a knockdown. You're just going to have an extensive overhaul at this point in time with a lot of the bulk material that's over here on that Charlie side.
Copy, safety. We're going to go ahead and call a knockdown.